Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making Ghanaian chicken light soup. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. We have here 1.5 kilo of chicken thigh that has been cut into desirable sizes, neatly washed and transferred into our saucepan. We added blended garlic, ginger, onion and anise seed and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. We also added 1 shrimp cube. As always, all ingredients used will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. And then we also added some salt to taste. Now going ahead, we added some diced onions as well and tomato paste. Now we'll just mix everything together and allow it to simmer for some few minutes. But for extra flavor, we added some cured beef, or what we call here in Ghana, tolo beef. You mix everything together and you allow it to simmer for some few minutes for the chicken to release its juice. Moving on, we added 1 cup of water and then we added our vegetables. So here we are using onions, tomatoes and red habanero pepper. So the pepper, adjust it to your taste and preference. Don't go adding too much pepper because you've seen us use a lot. This pepper is not too hot for us, okay? So adjust the pepper to your taste and preference and allow it to simmer on medium heat till it's soft, okay? And then you blend it. Once you are done blending, add some water to it and pour it onto your chicken. Now the quantity of water depends on how thick or light you want your soup, but this soup is light soup. It's called light soup for a reason, so it needs to be light but not too light, okay? And then once you add your water and blended vegetable mix, you stir and then you add some garden eggs and okro. These are totally optional. You allow your soup to simmer for about 20 minutes on medium heat and then you taste for salt. If you need to add more, you adjust. And we locked in the flavor with some green habanero pepper and allowed it to simmer for 5 minutes and our soup was ready. Overall cooking time was 25 minutes. This soup came out so good and we paired it with our fufu. If you haven't seen our fufu video, watch the previous video, okay? Or just click on the video after this particular video you are watching and you would find it, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching and we need more people to see our content. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please share with someone, okay? Share the link with someone, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave us a comment. Click the like button after watching this video. Please click the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Our next video is going to be a simple recipe that you can make at home and enjoy while watching all your World Cup matches. So if you are interested, turn on your post notification and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.